Yeah.
Amazing. And 4th of July 2003 we have from Vuorikatu 6 here. Here in Heinola, the region Finland. It was built in 1972, the Embrace H2 8308. The lamp for the floppy is broken.
Yeah.
I love the sounds of smell here.
Same. Iskuttiin bara kiva iskuttaa, että meitä bara Kone.
Yeah, that's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's